All right, task of the day today. Yeah, so I gotta wait till Friday to finish that up. Most likely Saturday since the things are coming on Friday. But fuel filter housing. This is a 603 fuel filter housing, 603, 602, 601, I guess. I'm gonna replace all the lines that go to it. These are made by cohline. They're Series 3100. Does that focus? Yeah. And you get them at BelMetric.com. They sell a lot of cool stuff, or fasteners, I should say. But yeah, just gonna get started on this. First things first, I did a test. I wanted to see if, well, that's lovely. Gotta clean this table off. I want to see how you put these on. Someone said just heat some water up and put this in there, and it kind of worked. So I just got to be faster with pushing it on. But yeah, I got to cut all these lines up and then do the deed, I guess. And after a couple hours, this is how it looks. This is a pain in the ass, to be honest. Yeah, so I heated a couple of them up in water, and my main thing was heating them up too much and then bending or pushing too hard, I should say. But and then there were a couple I just didn't feel as though they went down all the way, so I was like, I don't need to redo it. But either way, yes, this can be done. It's not that bad. What am I saying? It looks significantly better, and at least I can see if there's a air leak down the lines instead of having these things. This is how it's looking afterwards. This line, the middle one, I'm not trying to figure out. Probably have to run a rubber line or something, to be honest. Yeah, so I got to put this onto here, but it's way too big. See if I can heat it up some, but I doubt it. Yeah, so I forgot to do an update on this thing. I got all the lines done and the filter housing in. Basically, it's just a 603 setup with all new lines. I got a lift pump. I thought I had a few. I had to go down to Andrews and grab this one, but it works. And yeah, it doesn't seem like air's in any of the lines anymore. I turned it on, shut it off a couple times, so yeah, good to go. So only special thing about this is I have a fitting because it's an EDC pump. I took the shutoff valve off, and I also added a little filter back there because the filter that's in the housing is currently gone. But yeah, it works. No more air leaks, so I could start this thing and it not smoke ridiculously. It just smokes a little since the glow plugs are still messed up, 2 of them, which I'm not fixing.